Personally, I believe that being an artist is a little bit of a two-sided blade, I think. Like, first of all, I find art to be a reasonably fun outlet. As you can probably tell, I draw perhaps a little bit too much. But being an artist often results in you having artist friends, and seeing their art next to your art can be a little bit of a morale theft. Sometimes when looking at other art, we think our art is something not worth looking at. I, however, find looking at other people's art really fun. You get to see everyone's unique styles, see what works with their art and what doesn't. No matter how small or insignificant you think your art looks, always remember that everyone started somewhere, and your art is only as good as how much work you put into it. And I also think that art is a little bit of a freedom in itself. Only you're able to draw what you come up with, things like this.